very much well too early, but we'll see how we go. The 360 camera doesn't fall off.
I'm sure it'll be good. Can't even see it. Cheap little bend.
It's so good, like it dips in as well.
Yeah, it's not just basic.
Yeah. Cyclists. Oh nah. Yeah.
I haven't seen the learner yet. Oh yeah.
Surprisingly.
Oh wait.
Last time, bro, I was bad, especially leaving Highball.
Yeah. It's wet here.
Yeah.
Moist.
It's a little bit cold.
Second gear goes down a bit too much.
Yeah.
I feel like second gear is good for like almost a horseshoe.
I know what you mean, yeah. It just depends how hard you want to push your car.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, yeah. I'll keep it at third. Third's pretty good.
Yeah, third's great.
That was like he's sick with all like the leaves. And
going through, yeah.
He's still on.
Oh yes.
Still
You can't see it.
Still in range.
Where'd you fucking get your accelerator from, mate? You found it? Keeps taking me back to like Mentone,
Yeah.
wherever we just were.
pure Subi sounds now.
I like that.
Pure Subi sounds.
You like that? Like that? I love it.
Look where you started. It's good, some good content right here. So we're stuck at a red light in the middle of the mountains. Don't know how, why. There is like a fucking light here to begin with.
Right on a bend too.
Yeah, it's kind of dangerous, I'm not gonna lie.
Wonder how long it
And there was like bare signs as well.
Yeah, I was like, should I slow down? I was like, fuck it. Saw them eating, you like, that's what I want.
Nah, I was just looking around.
But not be fucking gravel. Please don't be, please don't be.
Okay.
Interesting. Sheesh. What a Mickey road.
Right, that was a hell of a steep.
That was a fucking nice one. I would have.
That was so steep though.
chilling. I love like roads like this, got a bit of a turn, but you can still see the road ahead of you.
Yeah, it's not a blind corner.
Yeah. Oh,
Gosh, I knew it. We put the bikes.
yeah. Sorry. Enough room for everyone.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it took a little bit longer than usual. Little Toge run in the STI. Shout out to G's once again. Her ads and all that will be over the screen and stuff like that. Definitely give her a follow. Very kind enough just being in the video, just being a fucking vibe and stuff like that. But at the same time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry, it was just a bit weird. Like, we had the correct pathway, but then it was blocked off because it was Anzac Day, and obviously, you know, it's going to be blocked off, you know, respect all that. Not a problem, we'll just work around it. hopefully next time I can get behind the wheel of the next car, which is slowly taking a little bit longer than usual, but that's alright. And hopefully we can start on the next project soon. But if you guys did enjoy the video, please give a thumbs up, give a comment, let us know what you think, and aside from all that, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and yep,